Mr. John Moreno and Mr. John Howard, and we are presenting them now with an award, the Race Across America. It's kind of a historical award. It's kind of cool. It looks like a double chainring, not a triple. I'm just saying, is it compact? Is it standard drive? I don't know. RAAM #1.
Or the land of the free and the home of the brave.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Folks, our first official athlete is out on the board. To build awareness and funding for organ donation and transplant. Man, I'm on the list. I got my marrow type, I got my blood type, I got my ID on my driver's license. I'm going to take what they can. Ray, Jeremy, Terry, Steven, Kurt, Christian, Eric, and Douglas. Well, they've decided to bring their own medical staff while riding. Looks like 4 or 5. Are you all doctors? One of you's on board. All right, so they're getting it done out there. The charity again is Donate Life. They're doing good things to build awareness and funding for organ donation and transplant. Marco Aurelio, and A. Stories. Oh no, that's one big man. I know what they're doing.
Where? Off the side of the stage. The Verizon thing is like that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team 4 now on the road to Annapolis. Okay, representing the United States, their charity is Health in Action, an organization dedicated to promoting holistic health and fitness for women and adolescents, primarily dedicated to help people understand the female athlete triad. There you go, ladies. I like seeing the guys walking around with the shirts that say Georgia Shane Chicks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're off, folks. They're off in style. There it is. Things are happening right here, Oceanside Raw. Katrina, Isabel, Rory, and Janine, it looks like. We've got recognizing Belgium and the United States, and it's all about breast cancer awareness. You know, this is the team that's racing in honor of Yuri Rovich, our fallen comrade that unfortunately lost his life in an exchange between a vehicle and himself when he was out on a training ride. This is Damian, Allen, oh we got 2 Damians in there, and Francine, that is Slovenia, and they're racing in honor of Yuri Rovich. We're going to talk about doing. Alright, we got less than 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the Santa Barbara PD, let's go now, right now! Kara Timmelman, a 7-year-old girl who has the disease. All team members are accomplished triathletes won and raced RAAM in 2008. The goal is to set a new 4-person women team record. The current record is 6 days, 12 hours, 28 minutes. Come on, ladies, you can do that. No problem. All right.